Hey there, future historians. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey through time? Today, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of historical investigation. Have you ever wondered how we know so much about ancient civilizations? How do we uncover the secrets of societies that existed thousands of years ago? Well, I'm here to spill the beans on how historians uncover ancient secrets. It's a process that involves a lot of detective work, curiosity, and a passion for uncovering the truth. First things first, historians are kinda like detectives. They piece together clues from the past to form a coherent picture of what life was like in ancient times. They start by asking questions. These questions guide their research and help them focus on specific aspects of history they want to explore. Let's say a historian wants to know how the ancient Egyptians ran their economy. This is a complex question that requires looking at various sources of information. Now, an economy is all about how a society makes money, trades goods, and provides services. Understanding this helps us see how people lived and interacted with each other. Next, they form a hypothesis. This is just a fancy word for an educated guess. It's a starting point for their investigation. Our historian might guess that the Nile River played a huge role in Egypt's economy. But how do they prove this hypothesis? They can't just stop there. They need to gather evidence to support or refute their hypothesis. This involves a lot of research and analysis. Next, they need to test their hypothesis. This means gathering evidence from different sources, such as ancient texts, artifacts, and even environmental data. They might look at old scrolls, artifacts, or even the ruins of ancient marketplaces. Each piece of evidence adds a new layer to their understanding. For example, imagine they find ancient receipts written on papyrus. These receipts could tell them what goods were traded and their prices. This information helps them understand the economic activities of the time. Historians also talk to other experts like archaeologists who dig up ancient sites. These collaborations are crucial for a comprehensive understanding of the past. They could find pottery shards that show what people ate and how they traded food. These small pieces of evidence can reveal a lot about daily life in ancient times. So, after collecting all this evidence, they form a conclusion. This conclusion is based on careful analysis and interpretation of the data. Maybe they discover that the Nile was indeed crucial because it provided water for crops, which were then traded for other goods. This would confirm their hypothesis. What's cool is that history doesn't work alone. It connects with other social sciences like anthropology, which studies human cultures, and economics, which looks at how societies use resources. Together, these fields help us get a complete picture of ancient life. By collaborating with experts from different disciplines, historians can piece together a more accurate and detailed story of the past. By piecing together clues from different sources, historians help us understand how our ancestors lived, worked, and traded. This detective work is essential for uncovering the mysteries of history. So next time you read about ancient civilizations, remember there's a whole lot of detective work behind those stories. Historians spend countless hours researching and analyzing to bring these stories to life. Stay curious, and maybe one day you'll uncover some ancient secrets yourself. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and who knows what amazing discoveries you might make.